Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Vladimir Karasev and Rashid Nezhmetdinov. This game was played in Latvia in 1973. Player with white pieces in this game, Vladimir Karasev, was Leningrad champion. He started the game with knight to f3. Nezhmetdinov played knight to f6. c4, the English opening. Symmetrical variation. d4, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, e6, knight to c3, bishop to b4, pinning the knight, knight to b5, and Nezhmetdinov castled king's side, bishop to f4, perhaps intending knight to c7, winning the rook. What is the best move for black in this position? Nezhmetdinov played d5. This ordinary looking move is actually very strong. a3. Well, knight to c7 doesn't work because of a knight to e4. So we have a3, bishop takes on c3, knight takes on c3. Black to move. How will you continue now? Nezhmetdinov played d4. Not afraid of knight to b5. Perhaps some people would play knight to a6, defending c7 square. Nezhmetdinov, oh well, if knight to a6 is played, then queen takes on d4, and white is doing well. So a6, knight to c7, attacking the rook. On the surface, it looks like that white is giving black hard time. But the problem is, white didn't castle. And let's see how Nezhmetdinov takes the advantage of that. Rook to a7, knight to b5, a takes on b5, bishop takes knight, attacking the rook. This is a very interesting moment of the game. Perhaps rook to a8 was expected. This looks like a natural move. And then bishop to e5, and white is fine. But there was a big surprise. Nezhmetdinov didn't save the rook. He played b takes on c4, and Karasev happily captured the rook. Queen to a5 check, queen to d2, queen takes on a7, e3 intending bishop to e2, but now d3. Bishop to e2 is not a clever move, so g3 was played, intending bishop to g2, knight to e4, not giving his opponent time to organize. Queen to b4, black to move. How do you continue now? d2 check was played, king to e2, queen to a6, intending c3 check. So king moved to f3. Again, there was no time for bishop to g2. Then c3, and after king to f3, knight to g5 check, king to f4, e5 check, king takes knight, and there is checkmate in one. Queen to h6 checkmate. Back to our game. To avoid this trouble, Karasev played king to f3, queen to c6, threatening some kind of discover check. King to e2, hoping for a draw. By miracle. Queen to d5, rook to d1, and now e5, unleashing the light squared bishop, intending perhaps bishop to g4 check. h3, preventing bishop to g4, but now b6. This makes bishop to a6 possible. Rook to g1. White may as well play any move. There is no defense against multiple threats. c3 was played. Well, bishop to a6 is also winning. c3 was played. b takes on c3. Black played a move and white resigned. And the move is Nezhmetdinov played knight takes on c3 check, and Karasev resigned. In view of this continuation, queen takes on c3, bishop to a6 check. And what now? Queen to d3, then queen takes on d3. And after king to f3, bishop to b7 check, king to g4, queen to g6 check, king to h4, king to h6, king to g4, and there is checkmate in 1. And the move is f5, checkmate. Very strong player, Karasev. Looked very weak in this game. This was the last game of legendary Nezhmetdinov, who was 5 times Russian champion. It is always nice to finish a career on a positive note. Nezhmetdinov passed away in Kazan in 1974. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.